Good morning mga fans. Ano ang nakikita nyo? Chocolate cake yan. Ganyan ako kamahal ni Habi. Ginawa niya yan kanina habang tulog pa ako. Time check, 10 o'clock. Naku, sarap po. Thank you, honey, for the cake. And for my coffee, of course. Our chef just did it. Love it. Wow. A lot of people are asking, how's the life of a pensioner? So this is our life every day of a pensioner. Wait. Baking. Ooh. Wow. This is the life of a pensioner with him. Masarap ang buhay.